jungle.
Steady. Go.
Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover the chapter number 11 of Marigold, that is, If I Were an Apple. Let us enjoy the poem. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." Now friends, let us summarize the poem. This poem is based on the story of a little boy who thinks himself to be an apple, but he won't like to keep hanging from the tree. He wants to fall down on a nice boy like him and tells the boy to eat him. Friends, I hope you all have understood the poem clearly. Now friends, let us move on to the next slide. Friends, let us know about some new words along with their meanings with their corresponding example of sentences. Here in this slide, our first word is apple. This is a kind of fruit. It is red in color. It looks like this. Friends, I hope you all eat an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctors away. So friends, you should eat an apple every day to stay healthy. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. I like to eat an apple. Our next word is boy. A male child is called a boy. Friends, look at this picture. This is the picture of a little boy. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. Raju is a little boy. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Our next word is eat. Eat means putting the food into our mouth and then chew and swallow it. Now friends, look at this picture. The boy is eating fruits. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. People love to eat healthy food. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Our next word is drop. Drop means to let something fall off suddenly. Look at this picture friends. The ice cream fell suddenly on the floor. That means the ice cream dropped on the floor. So the girl is crying. Friends, let us take an example of sentence. She cried after she dropped her ice cream on the floor. Now friends, let us take another example to clear the concept. I dropped my pencil on the floor. Now friends, let us move on to our last word. Our last word is joy. Joy means a state of happiness or feeling of great pleasure. Now friends, let us take an example of a sentence. He welcomed me with joy. Friends, I will provide you more examples worksheet on our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is comb. It has sharp teeth but never bite and we use it every day. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a fruit with many seeds and I am red in color in inside and green outside. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey, then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay well, go with Clear Basic. Bye bye friends.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.